Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to detect RDP or remote desktop connection with GlassWire. To detect RDP remote desktop protocol or any remote desktop connection using GlassWire, you need to monitor the network activity, firewall alerts and unusual remote connection. And here's a clear step-by-step guide. First, what you can do is open to your GlassWire. On the bottom there's a search, type down the GlassWire and over here select to this open. And by default Windows remote desktop uses port 3389 TCP. Open the GlassWire. Over here you can go to this traffic monitor in the top here and you can go to this graph right over here and click on the time spike when the internet activity increases right here. Look for the IP address connected to your PC, traffic on the port 3389 as well. And if you see any unknown IPs connecting to the port, that may indicate an RDP session attempt. If you already have an upgraded version of your GlassWire, you can go to the alert tab, enable new device connected, remote connection detected, unusual network activity, and GlassWire will notify if somebody remotely accesses your system, a new app starts using the internet, a suspicious IP connects. And that is it. Using GlassWire, you can detect RDP or remote desktop connection by monitoring port 3389 activity, unknown remote IP address, suspicious application, real-time alerts. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.